Hello, my name is Jasmine. In this video, I am going to show you how to solve systems of equations. In this problem, we have three equations with three unknowns, x, y, and z. So let's see how we can solve it. As we can see in the first equation, we have x, and in the second equation, we have 4x. So from these two, if we multiply first equation by 4 and add with the second equation, then we'll be able to get rid of x. So from the three equations, we want to find out two equations so that those two equations will have only two variables. So I'm trying to get rid of x from the next two equations. So first, let us multiply the first one with 4. So after multiplication, I will get 4x plus 28y plus 5 times 4 is 20z equal to 46 times 4 is 184. So this is my equation number 1 again. And then I will write here the number 2 as it is without any change. That is 4x plus 4y plus minus 5z equal to 38. So 38 So if we add the two equations together, then it will look like this. Sorry, I forgot to put a negative before 4. It's a minus 4x plus 4y minus 5z. So if you add these two equations together, 1 and 2, that means 1 plus 2 gives me 4x and 4x cancels. And we will have here 32y plus 15g equal to 184 plus 38 is 222. Okay, so let's say this is my equation number 4. So you see we got rid of the x, no x, here we have only y and z. So from equation number 1 and 3, if we add 1 and 3, then again we can get rid of the x. So let's write it down here again. So equation number 1 is x plus 7y plus 5z equal to 46. Then I want to write down the second one here, negative x minus 3y plus 3z equal to negative 6. So if we add these two equations, then we will get, so let me write it down, the equation number. This is 3 and the other one is 1. 1. So this will be here x and x cancels. Then we get 7 minus 3 is 4y plus 5 plus 3, 8g equal to 46 minus 6 is 40. So this is our equation number 5. Now you can see in 4 and 5, we have only y and z. So no more x. So we got rid of x. So you can write here, this is by adding 1 and 3. So 1 plus 3 gives me this. Now we can do 32. So we see we have 32y here. If we can make this one 32, then we can subtract it from 4. So then in the next step, we are going to multiply equation number 5 by 8. By 8 and subtract from equation number 4. Okay, so let's do it here. You multiply this whole thing by 4. Sorry, by 8. And subtract from equation number 4. So let me write down 4 first, which is 32y plus 15g equal to 222. Now if we multiply 8 times 4 is 32y, and then plus 8 times 8 is 64g equal to 40 times 8 is 320. So now we are subtracting, so we have to change the sign for each of the terms from in the second equation. So let's do that. Okay, so draw a line here, and we are going to switch the sign. So 32y is positive, we have to turn it to negative as we are subtracting. So 64z will be turned to negative, and also 320 will turn to negative also. So when you subtract 32 minus 32 will give me 0. So nothing here, and then 15 minus 64. So from 15 minus 64, we should get 49, negative 49 G. Negative 49 G equal to, so here 320 is a bigger number, so the sign will be negative, and then 320 minus 222, 320 minus 222 gives me 32y plus 15G equal to 222, and then 8 times 4 is 32y plus 64G equal to 320. So 8 times 40 is 320. So now we are going to subtract these two. So when we subtract, we switch the sign for the bottom numbers, the sign for the elements in the second equation. So we have to switch all the signs for the terms in the second equation. So negative 32, negative 64, negative 320. So when we subtract, it will become 32 cancels. Then we have here negative 49, negative 49G equal to, so 320 is negative, so the answer will be negative. And then 320 minus 222 is 98. Okay, so now we have to divide both sides by negative 49 to get rid of the 49 next to Z. Divide both sides by negative 49. So if we do that, then we will get, we should get it like this. Okay, so write negative 49 and here also. Okay, so write negative 49 here and divide by negative 49 here. So when we divide both sides, then we have G equal to 2. So when we got Z equal to 2, then we can replace it either in equation number 3 or in equation number 4 to get the value of Y. So let me write it down again. 4y plus 8g equal to 40. So if you look at this equation, we can divide each of the terms by 4 to reduce the bulk. So let's do that, because then we have to deal with the smaller numbers. Divide by 4. So when we divide by 4, we'll get y plus 2g equal to 10. Okay, now we replace 2 for z. So it's y plus 2 within parentheses, g is 2. So write it down and then equal to 10. So it will be y plus 4 equal to 10. Now we move y to the other side, 4 to the other side by making it negative. Then y equal to 10 minus 4. So y value equal to 6. Y equal to 6. So we got our y and z. Now you can plug in the y and z value, any one of those, the initial three equations. So to me, it looks like if I use the first equation, equation number 1, right here, this one, then I can find the value of y. So let me write it down again. Equation number 1 is x plus 7y 7y plus 5z equal to 46. Now I write down again, x is unknown, plus 7 times 6. 6 is the y value we got, then plus 5, then 2 is the z value, write down 2, then equal to 46. Now we have x plus 7 times 6 is 42 plus 10 equal to 46. So it will be x plus 52 equal to 46. Now if we move 52 to the other side, it will be negative. So I can write x equal to 52, sorry, 46, 46, 52 minus 46. So the answer is negative 6. So x value is negative 6. So we got x negative 6, y 6, and z negative 2. Now let's check if it is right. So for checking, let us use equation number 3. In equation number 3, plug in the values to check. Okay, so it's negative x, negative 3y plus 3z equal to negative 6. So let's do only the left hand side and see if we get negative 6. So negative x is negative 6. So negative, and within parentheses negative 6 minus y, sorry, yeah, minus 3y. So you write minus 3 and the y value is 6, and then plus 3z. So I write plus 3 within a parenthesis, z value is 2. Okay, so now it will be negative times negative is a positive 6, minus 3 times 6 is 18, and then plus 6. So it will be 12 minus 6. So it will be 12 minus 18. So I added 6 plus 6 is 12 minus 18. So the answer is negative 6, which is actually here. So this negative 6 actually is this negative 6. So we have got the answer right. Okay. So my answer, final answer is x equal to negative 6, and then y equal to positive 6, and G equal to 2. So this is my answer. So this is how you can solve the systems of equations. It looks like a lot of work, but if you get used to doing it, so always think of eliminating one variable from by using two equations, three of these equations, and get two new equations, and then you can solve like this. Thank you.